Hi guys, this is Tanya Mose with Apple Tree Homeschool Academy. And I just got this little pet vet from Melissa and Doug at Walmart today to go with our pet theme and our vet theme, our little pet clinic and pet shop theme for this week in our daycare. Anyway, I did not realize that it had a little surprise in it. So I thought I'd go ahead and do an unboxing for you and let you know what all's in this set. So my daughter's going to help us out today. Go ahead and open the top. I started to open this already, and I was pleasantly surprised. So I thought, oh, I'm going to show everybody what's inside this set. Look, isn't it cute? So I didn't realize that the little stuffed animals came with it. Here's this one. So it's got a little kitty cat and a little dog. Of course, it's on the box, but I thought that I didn't read all the pieces on the box. I just thought those were little props for the pieces. So now the price makes a little bit more sense. So, yeah.
Figure that out. This looks like the arm thing, maybe.
Yeah, that's the little blood pressure. Little pup. Tongues. Go ahead and open that little, whatever that thingamajig is. Oh, that looks like the bag. That part right there.
Oh, it is the bag.
Oh, look. Now, does the other side fold out too? Or is it? Yeah. So it's a little bit bigger. Yeah. There you go. Okay, there's the stethoscope. Okay. Looks like it's pretty good quality. Doesn't look like the cheaply made ones.
No, it feels thick and sturdy.
Okay, I have no idea what that would be. Any vets out there, go ahead and let us know.
It's the thing. I'll tell you later.
Okay, and this is little. Oh, look how cute. Okay, and I'll be able to keep the little lid on it. Of course, that's empty. That's not real lotion in there. Oh, show that again. Isn't that cute? Look how cute. Okay. Alright, some little soothing cream for pets.
This opens too.
And I've got some little 1-year-olds going to love to put that lid on and off there. One thing I like about that lid, it doesn't look like it'll be a choking hazard, so that's good. It's big. Okay. So for that lid, I'll probably have to set the lid up. You can super glue some lids on some of these pieces if you want to, but I'm just going to put my that lid up because it looks like it could be a choking hazard for my age group. I have a 3-year-old, 2-year-old, and 2 1-year-olds. So a little thermometer. Okay.
Oh, it twists.
Oh, that's cute. Okay.
A little shot.
Ooh, okay.
They always have these in the doctor kits.
Oh, yeah. Okay. That's so cute. I like the pieces
Tweezers.
are bigger than I thought they were going to be. Some tweezers.
And
those are for the check the ears.
Oh.
Back of the throats. We've got so far.
A little bottle.
Oh, it's so
What
cute.
does it say? It says, clear up pretend vision problems in the blink of an eye.
Oh, the blink of an eye. There's little vision.
Eye drops.
Vision eye drops. Okay.
Get tails wagging again. Quick cure for pets.
Okay, that's so cute.
These say something.
This is cuter than I even thought.
It is. Smooth to soothe. Healing ointment for pets.
Oh, so cute.
Perfect for soothing pretend aches and pains.
Is there anything else in the box?
No.
Okay, so there you go.
That's really cute.
That's everything that was in there. So that's a really cute little set. Now I'm understanding the price a little bit better now.
Secretly play with this when the kids go home.
This is so cute. All right, well there you go. That's what you get in the Melissa and Doug Pet Vet playset. I think the kids are gonna love these. All right, thanks. Hope you like it. Comment. Thanks. Bye.